Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaBuilds Pro. It's August 18th, and we're now just weeks away from Barcelona's long-awaited return to their legendary Spotify Camp Nou. From finishing touches in the stands to the pitch that looks nearly complete, from new access areas to the roof structure taking shape, the renovation has entered its final stretch. Let's break down all the progress from the past few days. Reopening target. The reopening goal remains mid-September, starting with Phase 1A, which will allow around 27,000 fans inside the main stand and south stand. But before Barcelona can host their first match, they must secure the provisional occupancy license. That means safety checks, accessibility standards, and structural requirements must all be completed. Heavy machinery is still on site, but most of the focus has now shifted to details. A clear sign the stadium is almost ready for fans again. Pitch ready for action. The most exciting change is the pitch. The natural grass is in perfect condition. White lines are freshly painted, the artificial turf perimeter is in place, and goalposts are standing. For the first time in nearly 2 years, the field looks matchday ready. With Blaugrana seating now visible in the lower stands, it feels like the roar of the crowd is just around the corner. Gol Sud Tribune and VIP areas. At the Gol Sud Tribune and connecting areas, workers have been installing new access doors and handrails. Staircases are receiving fresh concrete finishes along with anti-slip treatments. VIP entrances now feature coverings, safety barriers, and clear signage to guide fans smoothly on match day. Gol Norte Tribune progress. At the Gol Norte side, which will also be open during Phase 1A, crews are completing prefabricated panels, sealing ceiling joints, and preparing stairwells for inspection. Seating frames are in place, and Blaugrana-colored seats are being installed, giving the stand a vibrant look. Temporary fencing and access markings are also being finalized. Crucial steps for safety approval. Roof and exterior work. Above the stands, the roof framework is advancing quickly. Steel trusses, netting, and preparations for covering panels are progressing every day. The new design will not only protect fans from the weather, but also trap and amplify sound, creating an even more intense matchday atmosphere. On the exterior, facade panels and glass installations are underway in multiple areas, including the club shop and retail sections, giving the stadium its modern new identity. Club shop transformation. Inside the club shop, huge progress has been made. Glass facades are almost finished. Interior walls are complete, flooring is being laid, staircases polished, and lighting fixtures installed. The space is quickly turning from a construction zone into a commercial hub ready for thousands of visitors. Final phase. We're now in the home stretch. The final steps include safety inspections, last paintwork, signage, cleaning, and preparations for fans. If everything stays on track, mid-September will mark Barcelona's emotional return to their historic home. A moment supporters have been dreaming of since 2023. That wraps up your August 18th Camp Nou update. The finish line is in sight, and every day brings us closer to kickoff. If you enjoyed this update, give it a like, subscribe to MegaBuilds Pro, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro.